Now in this video we will see that how we extract the text how we extract the numbers from the text, for which we split the text completely and then extract the numbers from them. So for this we have defined a function namely as extract from text. That how it looks like is like this. We have defined extract underscore from text, in which we have pass parameter as text, and we have used the empty list namely as L. Now we have used for t in text dot split, because we are splitting the whole text. Our main aim is to extract the numbers from the whole text. So we actually wanted to convert the text into float, but all the text will not be converted into float, only numbers will be converted into float. For this reason we are using the try. So it will try to convert the numbers into float, and for the text which it has to be shown an error, we wanted to pass it on. So now see what will going to be happen. So for try we will append the L dot append, for we have append, and in the append we have used the float of t. We have used the float. Now we have to accept some things as well, like we are going to accept the value error, which looks like this, because we have to pass it on as well. We have to pass and we have to enter, and then we have to return the value of n. This is how we extract the numbers from the text. In the next part we will move forward. Thank you very much.